We'll guide you through how to stay updated on Stripe news. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to Stripe's official website using your preferred browser on your desktop. Once you're there, scroll down to the bottom of the homepage where you'll find the company section. Click on the blog link. This is where Stripe shares all their latest news, product updates, and insightful articles. Bookmark this page to check back regularly. Next, consider subscribing to their newsletter. You can find the newsletter subscription option typically at the bottom of the page or within the blog section itself. Enter your email address to receive updates directly in your inbox. For those of you who spend more time on social media, follow Stripe on platforms like Twitter and LinkedIn. They frequently post about updates, events, and important announcements there too. Make sure to turn on notifications for these accounts so you never miss a beat. Another effective way is to join relevant online communities or forums, such as the Stripe community on their website, where users and Stripe team members discuss updates and share insights. Finally, if you're a developer, you might want to keep an eye on Stripe's GitHub repository for the latest changes in their API. This helps you stay ahead with any technical updates or new features that might impact your integration. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.